mother's milk. Breast milk is still best for this. Breast milk is still best for
father.
Breast milk is still best for daddy.
Asam to si Matt kay grabe ko ako. Own decision. This is the fruit, but he did not grow it more if he cannot sustain. There are rule of nature.
Why is it wrapped up though?
To prevent insects.
Na may mga pesticides, mga pestis.
See, in the US we spray chemicals.
We do organic here.
Oh yeah.
We don't eat chemicals. Kaya mamatay tag sayo ana. So as much as possible, fertilizer, ana wa gyud tay pesticide ita mga spray.
Kuan na ning kuan pre ato na ning.
Tos, kuan na. Lain na. Kuan na kaya mo i-present.
I-present na no.
Presenting. Di na po siya makaon kay mature naman eh.
It's
Good na ni. Effective na ni.
Pareha liwat ni Maria.
Uy. Ay sus.
Yes.
May salita pa.
So imagine if you have 100 trees with that. I have in the other side I have 256 like this. Oh wow. It's already bearing fruit.
Yes.
Ay ninang ko.
Nangka nato. Dong, asa man nangka nato hinog daw.
Ito na nangka. Mana?
Kana nangka.
Ato to kaunon dong.
Yes. Dati.
Okay. So mo na tree. So from what country?
This is amazing chocolate.
USA.
USA.
To Philippines,
So,
Cebu.
there's no chocolate without this.
Makaon og
You
chocolate.
like Toblerone. You like Mars. You like Kit Kat. You like what else? Hershey. No Hershey. No Toblerone. No Kit Kat. No Mars. Without this. So we are so very fortunate. Filipinos are very fortunate to have this. US cannot grow cacao, but they have the best chocolate, and we have the best cacao. But later we have the best cacao and best chocolate in the world, and that is Pelchoco and Marie.
And the producer is from Millboy Farm. Millboy Farm.
Yes.
From
Camelo.
Millboy Farm.
Melboy Farm. See?
Video ko.
Maligo na sila.
Did you learn from what the alcohol discussed?
The best chocolate.
The tree of love.
World, the tree of love. That one.
Magkano ba? Mag-exam ra ba ron?
Yes, we have we buy eggs, pig and pig.
Wow.
Pig and pig.
So in picking the eggs,
Oy,
we have
paminaw kay mag-exam.
very rule of thumb. If you can notice, the eggs have the sharp area, the sharp size, like this one. It should be put down the tree because that is the hardest part of your egg.
Okay.
So now you can pick your egg for free, but you will pick the eggs that you have already picked, but in a good price. That's 200 pesos. It's free. So very good price. So pre-picking, but you have to pay after your eggs. So go, continue. Right, ready. Continue picking. Harvest time. Harvest time. Sana sponsor.
Dire. Mga maadi. Ano? Kini, nawang manok.
Snap na nila, pre. Snap.
Oh, mahimong lubot.
Rich Mississippi crude protein. Ingon mo nga, ang tao na organic na nagputan.
Can I have the wheat? The
This is 1.2 kilograms already. About half a pound. 1 pound is 2.5 kilograms, right? In 17 weeks.
You try.
You're not trying.
Smile, smile. Here.
Nila, need nila as to survive is ihatag di mo, baboy, mag-swimming pool. Sa manok, mag-iupaok, magbata, mag-scratch.
Igwa sa nang baboy mo umad.
Unungat. So, kung imo na siyang i-provide para pag-avoid nga di sila ma-stress. Because if the animals are stressed, they cannot produce healthy foods, they cannot produce...
It's like husband.
husband.
Husband. What is the habit of husband?
Sa may way sa mga manok na mo healthy, be. Ha?
exam.
Listen mo?
Exam.
Probiotic. Next, 2 to 3 hours, then another batch again.
Ang pinaka-kurang yung challenging is the first 5 days of the chickens. Okay, they will come to your area, they old. Basa pa o balibo. Still wet, the feeder is still wet. The old chicks. So, that's the time you are just carrying a newborn baby.
Picture mo dito, Tobe.
So, you have to maintain the jackpot like that, oh. They will eat, oh.
Nakikita ka na dito mahagbak.
Dili, uy.
Ayaw lang ni Gun... Oh, asa mo? Just tabul eh.
Before this, 43 heads.
8.
Ang papa ni ako na mag-ihaw.
Sa kami ang
35 ka kilo, oh. Kandi. Mas paspas pa ni mukhaon ninyo sa inyo hang nangka, oh. Nene.
kaya
Bibi.
Well,
Oh, picture daw siyang...
video
Kay pilit na kong kamot.
Video. Ya. Kanawa ay pagkaon ako, tunol ako. Tunol dili.
Ato dito.
Ha? Adlo di ba namo? Wa man ngipon.
So the chicken they can eat also this one.
Again. How the goat scream.
No.
Again, repeat. Show to us how the goat scream. Is that the goat house?
That's how they scream.
That sounds is like a bird. Uwak. Uwak is.
This sounds like a red ant magnet.
There's red ants?
Yeah, I keep standing in there. I look down, I'm like, oh, okay, all right.
No.
So, ma'am sir, the name of the waterfalls is Dinalayan Hidden Waterfalls. So our activity here is jumping, swimming, and swing. Okay? You like jump in the waterfall?
I'm about to find out.
Never done it.
Our waterfalls here only 2 levels. This one is the first level and this one is the second level. So this 3 picture is the first level only. So our activity in the first level is to jump and also swimming. So now it's water massage is not tolerable because the water is very strong. If you get in the water up your back, maybe your crack, maybe your crack. So the next one, this one is 21 meters high, and also we have a jump from the left side and also in the center. So the first one jump is like 3 meters, and the second one 4 meters, and third one is like 5 meters. So if you want higher one, it's like 7 meters from the hole. Okay?
Okay.
So jump is not mandatory, but if you want to jump, we can jump. Okay? Okay. So far from here is almost 1 kilometer, so maybe 839 meters from here to waterfalls. Okay? So I think we can walk more or less 20 minutes like that. Okay? So about the tour guide here, sir, we're just a voluntary guide here. We don't have any salary from there. We don't have any sharing. So it's depend on you how much you take for us. Okay? Thank you, thank you. You have any questions, sir?
Nope.
Okay, thank you so much. So before we go, we have we will helmet.
Hindi gani ni mo ka naminaw.
You know how to
Ang
swim?
fit ba? Ang karam mo? No.
Okay, so we have like this from there.
Life jacket ka, te. Life jacket.
Life jacket, uy.
Where's the life jacket? Oh!
No.
Isa lubot ko no. Isa lubot.
Anything.
All. No.
Yung kabaw mo lang, oy.
Help me.
Sana na lang.
Tanan na lang kuya. Pwede raman gapon na hubuon if ever.
Malagi? Hindi lang good.
Makayara?
Ay, di kami kabaw mo lang mo.
Hello mo ay. Lagi? Naman may mga friend ka bo kay kining si sir.
Asa tawag buhos, engineer. Kaya nakabuti mga
Engineer man, engineer.
Foreman.
Ang dokulman ang green.
Forma din ang green.
Foreman din.
Uy, mga kontraktor mga kurap.
Engineer si Kwan, si Angel o si...
Saldi ko na rin.
Tanan lang siguro ko.
Mayor.
Mayor.
The contractor. Where's the contractor?
Mayor.
Duty ng mga kontraktor.
20% lang ako yun.
Pwede naman yung professor, Sarah.
Just pick up your hand.
Nanginig guys. Ating-ating. Nanginig. Ating-ating guys. Wala ay.
Ay, bahala na lang ng murang superhero. Magpuyo na lang na.
Sige, paano kung pag-ano, superhero ko nga.
Superwoman! Uy, ara na lang.
Ako na, superhero, Superman ah.
Nakakuha na ko kay mahal ka kung sa biglang call for you.